freeintromusic.com layout track.
Hello viewers, welcome to this recipe video of how to make mutton biryani at home using a pressure cooker. This recipe video is especially for those who are cooking for the first time and for biryani lovers. First we explain how to make biryani masala at home and store it for a longer period. These are the ingredients needed. Take one portion of each, that is 1 teaspoon of each. First we take peppercorn, cloves, cardamom or elaichi, star anise, cinnamon sticks, 2 red chilies, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 whole teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of jeera seeds. Take this in a dry mixer and grind it to a fine powder. You can store this masala for future use also. Now we start making the recipe video. These are the ingredients needed. Take a screenshot and keep them ready. Step 1 is the mutton marination. This is usually done overnight for better taste. Prepare the mutton by washing it well and removing the excess of bones or fat, because this gives a very oily look to the biryani. Take the mutton in a pot. Add 4 teaspoons of curd. The curd helps to soften the mutton. Take half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all these well and marinate overnight, or at least for 6 hours before cooking. Now we prepare the basmati rice. Do not use any normal rice but use only premium basmati rice. For half kg of mutton we take half kg of basmati rice or about 2 cups. Pre-soak in water for about half an hour and not too long, as it will make it mashed. You can see after half an hour that the rice has absorbed all the water. Completely drain all the water and set the rice aside. Now we take some chopped onions, 2 or 3 in number, medium sized. Make sure you don't chop it too finely, keep them as long linear cuts. Now we take the pressure cooker, take 4 teaspoons of cooking oil, add bay leaves 3 to 4 in number, heat the oil and let the bay leaves get cooked. Now add the onions and stir fry in low flame till they turn golden brown. Add mint and coriander leaves, 1 handful. Continue to stir in low flame. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Mix it well with the onion and cook for about 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of homemade biryani masala that was prepared before. Again stir for about 5 minutes to let the masala get cooked. Now add the marinated mutton. Add 2 cups of water, approximately 500 ml. Proportions are everything in making the biryani, so make sure you follow the instructions to the point. Mix the mutton well in the gravy. Set the lid in and pressure cook in high flame. After the first steam whistle, turn to low flame and continue to cook for at least 20 minutes so that the mutton is well cooked. After 20 minutes, remove the lid. Check for salt and add a pinch or half a teaspoon. Add half a lemon squeezed juice. Mix it well. Now we add the rice that is pre-soaked. Make sure you add it only on the top layers evenly and do not mix it after this. Leaving rice on the bottom will let it become overcooked or burnt. Now close the lid again and pressure cook in low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wait for another 15 minutes before opening the lid. You can see that the rice is well cooked. Garnish with some raisins and coriander leaves. Mix the masala well, which is there on the bottom, before serving. Delicious mutton biryani is ready. As you can see, biryani preparation is simple and easy if you can follow the instructions to the point. Try this recipe at home. If it will help you make a nice biryani preparation, then do send photos and add comments. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more regular recipes in the future. Thanks for watching.